Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to post anonymously on your Facebook group. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and then make sure that you have logged into your Facebook account. Then choose a group in which you want to post anonymously. Now, on the top in the middle, you will see anonymous post. Hit on that and select got it. Now simply type a message you want to post and your name will be hidden. So in this easy step, you can easily post anonymously on your Facebook group. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.